Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a question using subjective pronoun and be verb. Let us have a look at this sentence. I'm a teacher. Remember that am is a contraction of I am. I am a teacher. So, I'm a teacher. Now, when we want to make this sentence a question, we have to do some simple change. It's easy. All you have to do is put the be verb in the front. Okay? So, am I a teacher? Am I a teacher? Notice that the be verb come in front. Now you have to listen also to my intonations. How am I saying? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. So the question also, am I a teacher? Am I a teacher? So you must have observed when I'm asking a question, my intonation goes little bit up. Am I a teacher? So for making a question, the intonation goes little bit higher to show that it's a question. And now to answer this question, there are two ways. Am I a teacher? The answer could be yes, I am. Yes, I am. Or it could be no, I'm not. No, I'm not. So the first answer that shows a positive answer, and in the second one answer it shows a negative no. Let us have more example, but repeat after me. Am I? Am I a girl? Am I a girl? Yes, I am. Am I a boy? Am I a boy? No, I'm not. Am I a singer? Am I a singer? Yes, I am. Am I a friend? Am I a friend? No, I'm not. Now we are going to talk about he is and she is and how to use them in a question. So let us have a look. He is or she is, he's a doctor. She's a doctor. Remember, he is a contraction of he is and she is a contraction of she is. In both, the be verb is. So when we make a question, we have to move the be verb to the front. Okay? So we put is he a doctor? Is she a doctor? Now listen to my intonation. When I said he is a doctor, he is a doctor, she is a doctor, my intonation goes down. But when I am saying a question, is he a doctor? Is she a doctor? My intonation goes up. There are several possible answers to this question. You can say, yes, he is. Yes, she is. And the next one, for a negative answer, you can say, no, he isn't. No, she isn't. And remember, isn't is a contraction for is not. Is not. He isn't. She isn't means he is not, she is not. Another answer you can give is no, he is not. He is not. No, she is not. And this is a contraction for he is and she is not. Let us look for more examples and make sure you repeat after me. Is he? Is she? Is he a man? Yes, he is. Is he a cowboy? No, he isn't. Is she a woman? Yes, she is. Is she a cowgirl? No, she is not. Now we are going to move onto it is, and how to use it in a question. Look here. It's a dog. It's a dog. Remember, it's is a contraction for it is. And here the be verb is. When we make a question, we have to put the be verb in front. Is it a dog? Is it a dog? So now how the intonation will go? Up. Is it a dog? Is it a dog? Can you feel how it is flow up? Now, there are several answers you can give. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Next, no, it isn't. It isn't. It isn't is also a contraction of is not. The next and last one is no, it's not. So that is the contraction of is not. So let us look for more example right now. Make sure you repeat after me. Is it? Is it a book? Yes, it is. Is it a chair? No, it isn't. Is it a shoe? Yes, it is. Is it a car? No, it's not. Now let us move on to you are. So let us read it. You're a boy. You're a boy. Remember, your is a contraction for you are. You're a boy. The be verb is are. Be verb will come in front. A boy. Are you a boy? Are you a boy? The answer here is very simple. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. I'm not. I have more examples here, but remember to repeat after me. Are you? Are you an Indian? Yes, I am. Are you a pilot? No, I'm not. Are you a nurse? Yes, I am. Are you a dancer? No, I'm not. Now let us talk about we are. We are. We are is a contraction of we are. We are teachers. We are teachers. We are is a contraction of we are, and teachers are a plural noun. The question will be, are we teachers? Are we teachers? So the be verb is coming in front. Are we teachers? Answer will be yes, we are. No, we aren't. We aren't is a contraction of are not. The last answer could be no, we are not. We are not. Again, here we are going to have more example. Are we? Are we boys? Yes, we are. Are we girls? No, we are not. We are not. Are we friends? Yes, we are. Are we brothers? No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Now we are moving on to they are. They are friends. They are friends. Remember, they are is a contraction of they are. So the be verb is are. So the be verb will come in front. Are they friends? Are they friends? Are they friends? The answer could be yes, they are. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. And that aren't is a contraction of are not. No, they are not. They are not. And remember, they are not. They are is a contraction of they are not. Here we are going to look for more examples. Are they? Are they dancers? Are they dancers? Yes, they are. Are they dogs? Are they dogs? No, they aren't. Are they computers? Are they computers? Yes, they are. Are they birds? Are they birds? No, they are not. In this lesson, we have learned how to change a subjective pronoun and a be verb into a question. Remember, when you are making a question, you have to put the be verb in front before the pronoun. I hope this lesson was useful. If you like it, so share it. Thank you for watching. Love and peace to all.